Hello everyone, so in this video we will gonna be talking or discussing about a subject that has strong connection with our daily life. Some people may consider this as important as the air itself because we use this thing for almost 24 hours per day. And yes, we have a lot of excitement in talking about this subject because it has strong connection with the measure that we take in UGM, which is internet. So before we going into the presentation, we want to introduce ourselves first. So my name is Cholifiyah.
And my name is Irsyaad.
And my name is Anggita Nur Fathoni.
Without any further, let's get into the presentation. First, let's get to know what is internet. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that use the Internet Protocol Suite or TCP/IP to link devices worldwide. Internet brief history. At 1965, Internet technology was discovered for the first time by Advanced Research Project Agency or called ARPA on a research project funded by the Defense Department of America. And for the very first time, on December the 5th, 1965, the Defense Department of America connected 4 computers into one network at University of California or UCLA, Stanford Research Institute or SRI, UC Santa Barbara, and the last at the University of Utah. So, during the 1960s and the 1970s, the computer network grew rapidly, shown by the existence of LAN, local area network, which is the computer network in the local area, and a larger computer network called the WAN or wide area network. LAN and WAN are able to facilitate the exchange of the information between computers, but the information will stop at the boundaries of the network only. The other problem is some of LAN and WAN technologies are not compatible one to another. So, Internet is designed to connect between these different networks and allows the exchange of information between users freely. This can happen with addition of one router computer that is responsible for connecting between different networks.
Okay, I'm going to tell you about Internet nowadays. Internet already spread all around the world. The Internet is growing so fast. Now, almost every single person is using Internet every day for accessing social media. Because the Internet packet data is very cheap. There are many types of the computer and device that supported with Internet connection, such as laptop, computer, cell phone, and other. Now, the mobile device is like phone is mostly used in public. Internet technology nowadays can be used to help people in daily life like IoT or Internet of Things. For the example, now we can control our household appliance such as lamp, AC, window, door, and the other using the internet connection. The internet speed grows significantly. Right now, it can reach up to 100 gigabit per second. Because 2 or 3 years ago, the internet is just reached up to 100 megabit per second. The fastest media used nowadays is fiber optic. By using this media, our internet speed can be as fast as the speed of light. Because before fiber optic, the media for transferring data was coaxial or copper.
I am going to tell you about the development of Internet in the future. There are Internet of Things and Smart City. The role of the Internet of Things or IoT in realizing the concept of Smart City is vital. IoT devices are able to send information and follow up through network with minimal human intervention, so that they can perform various functions automatically. According to solution architect Ericsson Indonesia, Hilman Halim, for the operation of IoT device, it only requires 3 main elements. Namely, the first one is physical device, and the second internet network, and the third application. If these three elements have been fulfilled, then a number of devices can be customized according to user needs. The implementation of IoT in realizing smart city can be diverse, limited only by the imagination and ability of the developers. Hillman mentioned 5 examples of IoT applications that are commonly encountered in the smart city concept lately. The first one is smart lighting. Not only can it be applied to street lighting, but also for traffic light. With smart lighting, it can be monitored when the lights are damaged. It can also be turned off or turned on remotely. Explained Hillman when met at the 2018 Cellular Congress. And the second, smart parking. This solution can be used by residents to make it easier to find a parking space. Users can pre-order parking lots before arriving at the location. In Indonesia, there are several startups that provide solutions like this, such as smart parking and parking. And then waste management. The volume of garbage in a shelter can be monitored remotely. The janitor doesn't need to go to the trash one by one to check it out. Then a connected manhole. This solution is useful for monitoring the temperature of sulfurs that are underground, because the culvert not only functions as water channel, but also to store cable to the gas pipeline. Then smart electricity. Electric service provider can find out the user's electricity usage data directly without having to send officers to check on the spot.
Okay, so that's all from us about the internet. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.
Bye.